Selamat pagi. Saya diberi 20 minit untuk bincang tentang ini plan. Kita semua memang adalah leaders. We are all leaders. Now, I want to tell you one thing. Just now, our brother Tersenggu was here, correct? And I tell you, okay, he was mentioning he was 67, correct? He's definitely going to live until 100 plus, that's for sure. Because I also tell my downline I'm going to live until minimum 99, which I'm also going to pass 100. But the thing is that, this very moment, I'm going to mention 3 names, you go and double check and see. Kan, Mr. Tersenggu is losing, inverted comma, losing a lot of money because he is only a double diamond. He has Crown Ambassador under him. This plan is so good that if you really understand it, you become a millionaire because of our leadership bonus. You jadi jutawan bukan oleh kerana the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Itu boleh jadi kaya saja. Tapi nak jadi jutawan adalah leadership bonus. Faham? Faham. Jadi sekarang satu lagi adalah sebab Tersenggu ada satu India di bawah dia. Satu India. I envy these people. I tell you, I'm not jealous. I envy. I only wish one day it will happen to Ligi Kau. But without that also, I'm making very handsome income. Then next comes our Jane Yao. I really envy her. Because next few days she's going to go to fly to Vietnam again. I told her very likely I will go. Okay? Yeah, I want to go. Not only for holidays. Tangkap orang lah. Sebab baru mula di sana. She got virtually the whole Turkey under her. But she is starting, kan? Her age to me in physical age is the same, lebih kurang 50 lebih. Our time in DXN also lebih kurang sama. But I tell you, I really envy her. She has a very big group in Turkey. And I just only asked her. The biggest group in hers is actually only a Crown Diamond, correct? Now, you were alright until that Crown Diamond. You can see their first level only the 10. You want to see more than that, you have to become 1 leg extra. That is what you need to do. And the person I really envy the most, okay, is our young man of 74, Mr. Chen Pen Yun. Yeah. He is not here today because he's having a cruises. Oh, he's having exam, you know. Halo, umur 74 ada ujian atau ada peperiksaan. Kita panggil sini belajar, ini tak ada masalah, itu tak ada masalah. Apa tak ada masalah? Mau tak mau datang saja. Tak mau datang apa alasan pun boleh. Betul tak? So, you see, I really envy him. You know why? Frankly speaking, okay? He don't look 74, correct? See, the whole of Indonesia is under him. The whole of Philippines and so many other places, especially Australia also. Okay? And I tell you, he is only a gold diamond. Okay? And just imagine, should he become a Crown Ambassador? How much money difference is there? A little bit worth a lot of money. I still remember a few months later when Jane Yao went to Turkey and started a big group. He came over to my office and asked me one question. Miss Lee, I want to ask you a few things, okay? But can you tell me what is your income? I say, see, depend on what you ask me lah. See? Correct not? Because a lot of people are just like Fatemi Gani says, everybody wants to know his income, my income, correct? Okay? Very simple. You said last time you say something really very correct lah. I said, what did I say? Because every day I talk with many people, right? Okay? Listen again. You recall me, then I can remember back. You says the downline can beat the upline. All the while his income is definitely more than Jane. All the while. Okay? But because when Turkey started, Hungary, sorry. Hungary, not Turkey, Hungary. Oh, I give you another country, So, when Hungary started, okay, he says, Mr. Lee, correct lah, last time you said, last time is many years back, 2005 lah. Okay, this plan is so good, they're going to make you millionaire. Unfortunately, many of our friends don't believe, they left, correct? Yang tak percaya sudah hilang lah, kan? Okay, so apa sudah jadi? Dia tanya, My downline got 7,000 more than me, no. Bukan dia kosong mah, dia kata downline saya ada 7,000 lebih daripada saya. Maksudnya downline has beaten the upline in terms of the income, right? Dia punya income bukan 10,000, 10,000 satu bulan, no. Betul tak? Jenia pun datang office saya. We always sit down and have coffee. We never believe that we can make so much money in our life. Betul tak Jenia? Yes, we never believe that we can make so much money in our life, I tell you. Okay? So, Mr. Lee, I already told you, okay, my income, Jenia is more than me by 7,000. How much are you getting? I said, more than both of you lah. So, memang saya sudah jawab dia, betul tidak? Saya sudah jawab. Kalau dia 30, saya lebih dia 30 lah. Kalau dia 40, saya lebih, betul tak? Kalau dia 70, saya lebih lah, itu saja. Ada jawab tak? Saya sudah jawab, saya tak ada bohong sama dia mah. Betul tak? Memang lebih. Tapi ingat, please remember that Cheng Peng Yu got so many countries in there, okay? Why is it I only got majority of the people is only in Malaysia, but my income is so great? So you must understand in this plan. You must understand this plan. There are people, I was talking with our servant here, okay? There are people in Malaysia having one big country under him, and he said DXN tak ada bagus lah, tak boleh cari wang lah, tapi tiap-tiap bulan dapat ribu-ribu ringgit. Inilah panggil apa? Saya tak tahu. You see or not? That's a problem. So please remember, this plan is so good that you really need to understand how it works. Okay? Look at the qualification of the ITSI and NTSI. I think our brother Seller will be talking about afterwards. Correct? Okay? By qualifying early means your group is very big. Okay? The 543 to 40% of your group is very good. Okay? But it doesn't mean you make a lot of money also. Okay? It depends on the structure of your direct line. Okay? So what's important is ininya. Yang penting, kalau you sudah jadi SA, lama-lama banyak orang di bawah anda jadi SA, betul? Bila you sudah jadi diamond, lama-lama banyak orang akan jadi diamond di bawah anda, betul tidak? Saya sudah 10 tahun lebih dalam DXN. Okay? Another 3 months. May the 1st, I will be exactly 11 years in DXN. May the 1st. Okay? The day I will be coming from China. Okay? Now, important thing is that you must understand, in the last 10 years class, I sponsored 20 old people. Okay? But the fact is that today, only 16 direct line become my first level diamond lah, 16. Therefore, I become a triple crown diamond. Right? Isn't it? But to be very frank, my group, I will explain again and again and again, is not very, very big. But it's going to grow bigger, bigger, bigger every month lah. Okay? But I'm very happy and proud. In my group today, there are a total of 214 diamonds. Okay? 214. Tetapi, saya, oleh kerana saya punya pangkat lebih tinggi setara berbanding dengan semua yang di bawah saya boleh nampak setiap orang punya sales. Okay? So, Cheng Peng Yu cannot see everybody's sales because his downline is higher position than him. Okay? But he still makes a lot of money. That's why this plan is very, very unique. Okay? Just like the Fatami Gani was mentioning just now, dia kata, wah, sampai 10 level punya diamond. Wah, you punya group ini maya kukuh. Memang betul lah. Okay? I got 10th level diamond, which is our Jivan, one of the Nepalese here. Okay? But you must understand, if you want to compare with Cheng Peng Yu, berapa puluh lah dia punya diamond like, betul tak? Tersenggu also berapa puluh, betul tak? Mungkin sudah ratus sekarang. That's why this business, you're building up the business. You sure become a millionaire one. Can you last for the next 10 years to come or not? So if you cannot, don't even think of becoming a millionaire. Because this is building up a business, not doing a business. So therefore you must understand, as long as you go further and further, longer and longer, you have more and more diamond below you. The best part of our plan is, when you become a double diamond, the plan pays you more from the second line below. This is one thing many people cannot see. Why they cannot see? Because, okay, many people haven't reached the double diamond, they already left the company. Fatami Kanin said, how many percent? 80% leave, correct? 90%, okay? 70%? Yes, it's a fact. Okay? So, you look carefully. You sini, berapa persen? Dibayar 3%. Okay, sorry, dibayar 5%. Sampai 20 you dapat, you jadi Crown Ambassador. You punya direct semua berapa persen? 3%. Now kalau you ada satu kaki, Fatami Kanin also say, no, you don't need to work, you buy and consume also become SA. You want to become SR, you must do something, correct? Betul tak? So you become a diamond. You become a diamond. Okay? And somebody becomes a diamond. You get 5%. One day this guy becomes a crown diamond. You get 0. Ayo, DXM plan no good. You didn't do any work, what? Very likely. You sponsor Mr. A and you don't know Mr. B, correct? Very likely, correct? Today, Krishnan is my very old friend. Okay, I know him 20 years ago. He is my direct line. Okay? And from that group, I got a Mr. Jivan here. Jivan, where are you? Jivan Adhikari? Can you say? He is my first 10 level diamond. First one. Okay? Now, very important you must understand. Okay? Now, what's important here is, this guy is helping this to do the work, right? So you didn't get, he says, plan no good. Correct? It's not fair. The plan is not fair. The plan is very fair. So you understand the DXM plan. If you have one leg only, you are not going to get the second level and below. Should you get 2 legs, then the company pays you second level and below. Betul? Berapa persen? 3%. Ini akan jadi 3%, ini masih 5% lah. Bagaimana kalau ini orang masih ada satu orang di bawah? Berapa persen? 3%. Bagaimana kalau ini orang ada lagi satu, berapa persen? That's why this plan is called Ciak Beliau lah. This is a fact. Because many of us in our group here, we only have actually diamond, single, don't even have double diamond yet. So our group now is very small. But one day you become a crown diamond or gold diamond. You can see the overlapping bonus. You will want to do this business for a long time. Okay? Remember in my speech in Ipoh, I think recently, last week also I was telling, sekarang mau buat DXM lagi senang banding dengan dulu. Betul ke tidak? Dulu VCD kurang, buku kurang, semua pun kurang, leader pun kurang. Sekarang banyak orang boleh bantu. Did I mention Jin Yao name in Ipoh? I mentioned, isn't it? I mentioned her VCD, correct? It's exactly what Fatimi Kanin is talking about. Isn't it? So you must understand today, this plan is unique in the sense that if you work a little bit extra, you get so much more, no? Right? Now, kalau you ada 3 leg, yang di bawah you akan dapat berapa persen? Berapa? 4.8. I want to draw your attention to double diamond. 4.8, 4.8. Ini berapa? 5. So far, so good? Boleh faham? Okay, orang yang, sebab soalannya you nak tanya saya tahu. Until where? Until who I can override? Correct not? I'm quite sure this is a question in the mind. Okay? Answer before ask lah. Ini best sekali adalah until a person like you or higher. This is no joke, you know. Until a person like you or higher. Anybody doing insurance here, part-time or full-time, please put out your hand. Sesiapa yang buat insurance part-time ke full-time? Jangan malu lah. 2 saja. Prove me wrong. If you are an insurance agent in Malaysia, you cannot sell insurance in Singapore. Agree or not? Okay. Second question. If you get somebody involved as an agent, when he grow faster than you, meaning he sudah naik pangkat, you belum naik pangkat, can you override? Yes and no. Gona lah tu, so gona away. Because in DXM it happens always. Okay? Your friends or relative from Australia come back, you can sponsor. When you go back to Australia, straight away can. Correct or not? Our card is valid all over the world. You can sponsor anybody. That is called one-on-one market. Okay? And this is again the same thing. Chen Peng is only a gold diamond. He has crown ambassador below him. Also can get overriding, right? So how? Until where? This is the question we want to ask. The beautiful part is that I'm going to give you the example is orang yang lebih tinggi taraf daripada anda pun boleh dapat. Itulah baru panggil lumayan. Sebab lama kelamaan banyak downline akan jadi diamond di bawah, bukan directnya. Because crown ambassador, you need only 20 direct line mah. Most of the people will be below, am I not right? So in the long run, if you understand this concept, I will put it up here. Ini orang seperti anda, betul tak? Mr. X is like you or not? 3 kaki punya orang lah. Is he like you? Okay, you will get Mr. X also 4.8%. What of this one A, B, C? This 3%. Will you get any money from there? Yes or no? Cannot be I think, no I think. Yes, don't know. Yes, very good. Training effective mah. If some say no means very pening also, correct? So you got how much? 4.8. 4.8, correct? Now the beautiful part is that in the whole world, those people making a lot of money now, if your crown and many diamond below, you can see your statement very, very long. Now you can see very short, but you go to computer can see still very, very long, correct? Now, what happens if ada di sini, di bawah lagi, di bawah lagi, di bawah lagi? What do you get? Because this Mr. X will get 5. He will get, not you, 4.8. Ini plan untuk semua orang sama. India, UAE, Malaysia, same plan. Percentage same. Betul? So therefore, the red one is nothing to do with you. Temporary, sementara sahajalah. So sekarang, kalau you faham plan, betul-betul kau faham plan, biarlah downline. I mentioned this sentence many times. I only wish I am what I am today, triple crown diamond, and our Munyandi Govindasamy become the crown ambassador faster than me. I'll be most happy. Correct? More and more money will be coming to this pocket, and then the thing also become bojo, very big. You see or not? The question is that, do you understand that this plan is so unique? If you have 3 legs, even though this person becomes a double diamond before you, you still can override. You akan untung sampai orang setaraf anda atau lebih tinggi, sampai direct line dia. Itulah baru boleh lumayan. So far so good. So this one you get how much? 4.8%. Same thing again. What happens if this guy got 1 more person? Berapa you dapat? Tolong angsa 0. Now what I'm going to stress for this evening is actually one very simple thing. Everybody, I tell, your main aim is to become a diamond first. As fast as you can, become a 37% and maintain your 37%. Betul tak? Okay. Lepas itu, apa saya cakap? Try to become a double diamond. The next step lah, as soon as you can. Because the big money is double diamond and above. I know. Cikgu cakap saja. Saya, if you want to show me negative thing, everywhere also got negative thing. Ada crown diamond yang tak ada dapat 10,000 pun. There are even crown diamonds who diamond get 10,000 ringgit per month. Correct or not? I can stand here right in front of you. My double diamond is making 5 figure and above every month for nearly 2 years already. What you want to say? Plan no good? Plan is very fantastic. Okay? But got double diamond not even making 2,000 ringgit, correct? Because the group says small, I can stand right in front of you again, I'm telling you. My diamond, group sales nearly 50,000, earning nearly 5,000 ringgit. And today he is already, okay, executive star diamond. Okay? His diamond is here. He's not back in Nepal now. His income, 5,000 ringgit. But they are double diamond, not even making 2,000 ringgit, 3,000, correct or not? So you see, the plan is very good. Is the person working or not? The whole country under you, you got one line, you also not making money, isn't it? But what I want you to see is this one. Double diamond. Bila anda jadi double diamond, okay? Apa yang saya sudah terangkan tadi adalah orang yang seperti anda atau tinggi. Now, what is so great about double diamond? If you understand our plan well, you got 2 leg, below one you get 3%. You got 3 leg, you got 4.8%. You got 4 leg, you got 5.8%. Betul tidak? Lepas itu 5, you get 0.7%, 6.5%. Number 6 one, 0.6, you get 0.6%, 7.1. Then after that, the 7 level one, you get 7.6. That one 8, 8 is 8%. I want you to see until crown diamond. Once you got the 9th level, you'll be paid 8.3%. And then you become crown like Jane Yao, you'll be paid 8.5%. I want you to see something now. Once you become a crown, you are not going to have 10 diamonds, isn't it? Correct not? Banyak orang dia executive star diamond pun dia sudah ada 4 diamond loh, satu baris sajalah. By the time you become a crown, how can you have 10 diamond? You cannot be having 10 diamond. Will be maybe 20, 30, betul tak? So you must understand, this plan is so unique. You ada 2 kaki, dia bayar 3%. The gap of jump is very fast here, very fast here. Sebab di seluruh dunia, until he will going to update me lah, I'm going to ask now. There are only 6 crown ambassador. Am I not right? Is it more already? Oh, are you the next one? How many already? 7. Who is the last one? From where? Philippines. From Philippines. Philippines got 4. I was thinking trying to become number 7. Never mind. I will try with Jenya to become number 8. Correct now? And number 9. And number 10. Never mind. But we will make it. Remember, malulah Malaysia belum ada. Tak apa, kita cuba. Kita cuba. Betul tak? Salam, correct or not? Kita tak mau kalah lah. Now, the most important you must understand the gap. Crown ambassador baru disebut sudah ada 7. Seluruh dunia baru 7. Negara banyak, betul tak? Tapi kebanyakan siapa? Diamond lah. The most is still diamond, isn't it? Cannot be actually diamond more than diamond mah. No logic mah. Right? So you see, the diamond is a lot. Then comes the next stage, correct? So yang bawah will be a lot of such people one. The up there is not heavy, bottom heavy, always bottom heavy, correct? Tapi kalau you tak ada peluang untuk dapat yang bawah, you memang tak mau buat dia. You rasa no one's doing already lah, correct not? But if you understand this plan, you look here. You are being paid 5.8% after getting 4 leg diamond. That means double diamond, When you become a gold diamond like Champion Yun, the below one you will get 8%, Maximum how many percent paid? 10% only, right? So if you understand the plan, you see very, very well, you nampak ini plan, lagi adalah 2% mau wujudkan 12 diamond lagi yo. Lu ingat senang kah? Bukan saya kata tak boleh yo. Kerana kalau senang semua orang sudah jadi crown mah. This is a simple business, but it's not an easy business. You must continue doing lah. Correct? So you must understand, the beautiful part is that once you get ininya, once you get the 4 leg, this is the beginning of your big check. That's why I say I got double diamond, making 5-figure income every month since the start until now. Yes, and the best part is he's even a Nepali someone, not even a Malaysian. I feel very happy and proud, you know. They send me on Nepalese here, just like our brother was saying. Okay, he sends so many people back, right? And many of my Nepalese people who go back to Nepal, not even one of them need to find a job. Agree or not? Because part-time also you're making more than your full-time. This is achievement that you want. It's still no good. You must be much better. Don't be satisfied, be happy. So you understand this plan. Kalau you ada 4 star diamond, you akan jadi double diamond, correct? Bila you sudah jadi diamond, ini orang you masih dapat berapa? Masih sama, 5%. Tetapi this is the beginning of big money. Why I say beginning of big money? Sebab orang yang bawah, you akan dapat lebih daripada orang yang atas ataupun direct. So how many percent are you getting from here now? Kalau ada 4, you adalah 5.8. Saya sudah cerita tadi, ini adalah orang-orang kemungkinan yang besar you yang tak kenal pun. Tetapi wang lumayan datang dari mana? Datang daripada situ. Therefore you must understand, if you have a downline here very strong, assuming I'm putting this contoh, assuming this contoh 5.8, ini orang gila-gila buat lah. Okay, memang 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 crown diamond lah, seperti Jane Yao lah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You akan sapu ini semua 5.8%. You faham tak? Sapu semua. Now I'm going to be finalized, then you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. I am triple crown now, am I not right? If you are really a crown and you maintain the 10 leg, you already got 8.5%. In Chinese we call it Jat Bei Liao. Betul-betul ni. Sebab bila you sudah jadi crown, you bukan ada 10 diamond, puluh-puluh diamond. Sekarang saya ada 200 lebih. Ada yang grup kecil, ada yang grup besar, ada yang sudah tenggelam. Okey, itu dia punya pasar. Tapi yang penting sekali, saya nak tunjuk kepada anda. Real example. Real example lah. Saya adalah 16 kaki. 16 kaki is 9.6%. After the 10th leg, setiap diamond you kenalkan, you akan dapat 0.2%. 0.2% of 1 million PV is 2,000 ringgit. Don't say 0.2% little lah. Seperti Jane Yao, itu champion news saya katalah, inverted comma, dia rugi banyak. Rugi banyak. Because the money is already there, you take it or you qualify, you take it, don't qualify, you don't take lah, betul tak? Kalau you tak ada 100 PV, you boleh dapat cek kah? Mana boleh. Mungkin company lain boleh bagilah, kita punya tak boleh. Ikut arahan, no specialty, everybody follow the rule. So sekarang you mesti faham 11 8.7, 12 8.9, sampai yang ke 15. Okay, then you get 9.5. Ke 16, saya ke 16 lah, 0.1 only. Tapi masa itu you are going to become crown ambassador. Your group is so big, isn't it? 0.1 million is 1,000, isn't it? Kerja tak ada lebih, tapi wang lebih. Remember what our brother was talking just now? 2-3 hours. Ini pun saya sudah cerita, 10 tahun dulu saya buat susah, sekarang buat senang. This is a fact. I want to become an ambassador very soon, and I want to go all over the world like Fatami Ghani. I want to go everywhere they got convention. I want to be there on my own. He on his own. It's very interesting. So you must understand. Kalau sudah 16 level, 9.6%, correct? Now, ini saya dapat 9.6. Saya tunjuk satu contoh saja. Sampai ini orang double diamond. Okay, this also I get 9.6, correct? Betul tak? This I get 9.6, correct? I want to tunjuk this one how much I get. Ini orang, please slowly take your time. This red one, saya Lee boleh dapat berapa daripada orang ini? Ini orang adalah double diamond. Saya adalah triple crown diamond. Saya boleh dapat 9.6 daripada ini. Soalannya, ini orang sudah double tadi berapa persen dia boleh dapat? 5.8. Now my question is very simple. How many percent I'm getting from here? Or when you become a triple crown, you are getting from here. Yes? 3.8. Thank you very much. You have passed the exam. Nah, tuan dan puan sekali lagi saya ingatkan, kalau you ada 2 kaki, baru lu gila-gila buat bawa kereta sini Johor ke Penang, gila-gila, baru saja senior star diamond. Baru ada 4 kaki saja. Cek 2.500. Betul? Betul tak? Okay? Kan? Itu pun you punya second line you dapat berapa? 3%, boleh ingat kan? Your direct 5533, correct? Ini orang enjoy life di bawah ini grup sudah banyak besar. Ini orang sudah boleh dapat 5 figure income. Hey, just imagine if that guy yang double diamond can get 5 figure, how big is the group? Very big, isn't it? That's why I tell you, understand this business. Siapa di bawah mau buat, you bantu dia. Yang tak mau buat, biar dia tepi dulu. Mau bising-bising, biar dia tutup mulut dulu lah. This is a business you are involved in. How the people? Tak mau biar pasal. Mau piket, tak mau mari lah. Lu ingat apa? Kita rugi kah? Hari ini, Fatih Magari, we have to give you a big clap. He gives something very interesting. Tak mau mari, rugi lah. Betul-betul rugi lah. Now, this very important, because you must understand, every month I'm having more and more diamond, because many of the people can see their colleagues, wow, 3 years in DXN can make this money and go back to Nepal, don't need to work. Wow, this fella resign the job and do full time, correct? Fatima can say you make more and then you look. I will finish after this. Real life example standing here. 3.8. Ini 10.380, betul tak? Kalau ini orang boleh dapat 5 figure income as a double diamond, just imagine how big the group is here. And I am getting the 9.6, until and unless one person is here, you still get, but mine this one still 3.8. So ini bisnes satu saja. Sesiapa buat, sesiapa yang dapat. Sesiapa yang ada grup besar-besar di bawah, dia lagi geram-geram, tak mau buat, lu gila betul-betul. This is a business for everybody. If you understand that, we all will continue and we see you at the top. Thank you very much.